How to remove unwanted people from images with Nano Banana. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser, then navigate to the Nano Banana official website and sign in using your account. Once signed in, you can see Start Editing button available on the home screen. Now all you have to do is tap on the Start Editing. Then simply tap on the plus icon and choose the photo from where you want to erase the people. So here I want to erase this lady. So simply write down in the description box very clearly that you want to remove the lady on the right hand side and tap on the Generate Now button available at the below. Then once you tap on the Generate Now, wait for a while for a picture to be loaded. So here as you can see, the picture is being generated and there is no lady next to the guy. And that is it. You can tap on the download image and download it to your device. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.